Hello guys, this is John Bex FX. Welcome you to this channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. It's always nice to drop some powerful strategy for you guys to apply in your trade and make profit. It's always nice to drop those beautiful strategy here. And you know how I do it here. You know the kind of strategy that I drop here in this channel. It's always those beautiful ones, those exciting ones. Here again, I have come up with another powerful boom and crash strategy. You can apply this and make even more profit while you're trading boom and crash. You understand? So I'm going to be showing you a very exciting boom and crash strategy here. So before I do that, I want to also appeal to you, like I do always, to subscribe to my channel and like my videos and leave some good comments. You comment about the video in case the video interests you. Comment about it and comment about the area you don't understand about this video too, and also turn your notification on for more of my videos so you can easily be notified each video I dropped. Alright, so all of that, you can do that. Alright, again, you can also think how you can enroll in mentorship so you can have this, you can trade this yourself, you can learn how to do this yourself. It's not something you want to always wait for me to drop signal before you can copy and trade. So you can also think how you can become a trader. This is also a value to your life too. I mean, it's an addiction to the ones you have already to your life. Knowing how to trade, it's just a good thing for you, alright? So if you want a mentorship, if you're thinking of a mentorship, you can call on me so I can mentor you too. And if you want to join the VIP group and make money each time I drop signal, you can as well call me on that. Call for that. If you also want account management, you want me to manage your account and trade in your account, you can call me for that too. You can call on me so I can guide you on how you can go about that. All right. So how do you reach out to me? So while you're seeing this video, you can go to the description of this video. You can check down the video. You see the description. On that description area, you are going to be seeing every of my contacts that should be reachable to me. So from those contacts, we can relate very well. Whatever you want to discuss with me, we can discuss that. All right. So all of that will help you. And trading, I've always inform you guys and let you know about things you need to know about trading. Once you need to apply patience while you're trading. Another thing again that also help us to give us winning trade is also having multiple reasons. Having good reasons why you want to enter a trade, why you want to trade a particular pair. If you have a beautiful reason, reason like you watch the candlestick patterns and you watch the trend of the market, you see the trend of the market, you view the market structures very well from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. All of that, you check what the market looks like. All right, check what the market looks like, and also be patient enough to some case, see. You can also wait and see the current candlestick, what it looks like. Wait to see when that one burn out, another one that will be printing out, another one that will be printing out. You also need to check what it looks like, if it is something you're expecting. So you need to observe all the candlestick even though the weeks, you need to understand when the market is around you need to follow up and know when the market is around, the market is ranging. Also know when the market is on upward trend or on downward trend. All of these will help you so you can identify the support and the resistance where you can actually trade from, because it is good you trade from either the support or the resistance. This will give you entering a snapping entry, all right, where your elk sell will not be far from your entry, all right. So all of that will help you. So you need to look in what the market structures and look how the market looks like, so you can enter a good trade, right? So you can win in your trading. You can win while you're trading, all right? So, and I also want to let you, I also trade other pairs too, not just boom and crash too. I do VIX. I do all the VIX, okay? Like VIX 75, it's very volatile. I do VIX 100. I do VIX 51X. I do 51 110. I do 50. I do 50. I do VIX 25 1X. All of that, I do all of that. Even the jump pairs, I trade that. Step index, I trade that. So all of these, you can learn how to trade this, so you can have multiple choice, multiple options. In case a trend that is not clear, you also need to trade. Also need to look for a trend that is very clear for you to trade, so you don't lose. All right. So even if you are even when the market happens to go the wrong way, but at least before that, you have to get some. You have to see some profit, and you can go away. So that's why it's good to check the market, the pairs, so you can get a very clear one and trade and make money. All right, so let me not say much, so I can go to what we are here today. So here you can see I'm doing Crash 1000, right? Crash 1000, and you can see this one here. We're going to be talking about how to catch spike with this strategy. Also going to be talking about how you can scalp with this strategy. But right, we're going to be scalping with. If you are to scalp, you are scalping with crash. If you are to catch spike with this strategy, you are catching with boom. All right. So we are not catching the spike with this strategy isn't for catching spike on crash, just for boom alone. All right. So I will direct you on all you can get about that right now. So you can see the zoom level I'm using is already the third zoom level. So you can zoom to the last and raise it up, and that's just this. So you can have this at your own look. See, it's very open, so you can see very well what is happening. All right. So now, before I do subscribe to this channel, like the video of this channel, and leave some comment. All right. So if you want to join the VIP group, you're free to join, and other group like mentorship and account management, all of that is possible here, so you can join. So now, what you do now, before you trade here, you can go to an higher time frame, like 5 minutes time frame. This is a 5 minutes time frame, right? This is a 5 minutes time frame. So once we go to this 5 minutes time frame, for me to enter a trade here, I want to wait for this the bullish candlestick that is off front to come across this red line across the chart, this moving average across my main chart, all right, across my main chart. So once it crosses this moving average across my main chart, it means the market is on uptrend. So at that point, I will go back to my 1 minute time frame, my entering time frame, which is 1 minute time frame, and I will enter the market at this area, So even if it happens to spike, the spike will not be long. The spike will not be a long spike. So I will still be living in profit while the market will continue buying. All right. While the market will continue buying. What I am saying is this is a 5 minute time frame. So I want to wait just like this now. All right. So I want to wait for the bullish candlestick to cross this red candlestick across this red line being the moving average across my chart to cross it just this way. All right. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is what I am saying. Okay, just like this. All right. So I want you to cross this way. I want you to go up like this, cross this way. All right, and go up. All right. Once it crosses the red candlestick, once it crosses here, this moving average, the line here. So I'll go back to my 1 minute time frame and enter a trade. And enter a trade from that area. And enter a trade. So trust me, from this area, this is the area we are entering the trade from. This level 5-2. This is 5 and 2. All right. This level, the down, this is the overbought area, this 5 and 2. So trust me, even when the spike it's moving up, the spike will not be a long one. So this is what I'm saying. You see the place, was the place I marked there in my 5 minute time frame. So this is the arrow, right? So you see what happened here. See what happened here. So you see what happened? It went up. It went all the way up. All right. So this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. So once it gets to this place, you see, you can just buy the market comfortably. Even when it spiked, it will not be a long spike. Look at it here. It will not be a long spike, all right? So let me leave here. I hope you understood what I just showed you here. So let me leave here. All of this is backtest and backtesting. See, when the spike comes, it's not a long one. All of this, you can see. You can see yourself. Is there a long one? You can see. So this is how you make the market successful, right? So let me take you to boom, all right? Let's do boom now. So in boom, we are catching the spike, all right? In boom, we are catching the spike. So we are doing opposite, but rather we are catching spike here in boom. Come on, right? Come on. Okay, here in boom now. All right. So this is, I'm expecting spike anyways from this area. So once it got to this area 5 and 2, the 5 and 2 area, what happened is spike. But mind you, also need to go to 5 minute time frame and see if okay, it might not spike right now because I want it once it goes above, once the bullish candle goes above the red moving average across my chart, so that's when you expect spike, all right? Like something like this, it spikes and it went above this red line, and you see what happened, more spikes. You see, this is a very clear strategy for you to follow up and understand. You see what happened, more spikes. So you can see all of that. You can see all of that. So this is what happened. So once it went like here now, okay, sorry, you can see it went above this, sorry, all right, see what happened, it went above this red line here. So what happened is spike. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you. So I go back to my 1 minute time frame. So this is what I am saying. Okay, see, you see what happened is the spike. All right, so that is it at this area. So I've been leaving you here, and I hope you really learn a lot from this video. So follow up what I've just showed you. All right, follow up what I've just showed you, so you can make money as your trading boom and crash. So this is a very powerful strategy, and you can see I've just directed you all it takes to do this. All right, so apply this, try this out to the demo account first, and get master to it, and then you are going to make it. All right, so you're going to make profit while you're trading this. So this is, even as this, I will not make attempt to enter this market because I will go to my 5 minute time frame. You can see this, it's burning down, it's selling, all right, so it's selling. So if you enter that trade now, it might not get that spike. So I want it, when it spikes and it comes above this red line across my chart, all right, across my chart. It went above it so I can catch this price. So let me show you the strategy I'm using here. So this is the moving average. This one we go to our main chart. This is the period 30 shift is 0, method is exponential, and apply to close. And the style I'm using is period 4, and white color is a thing of choice. So I'm done with that. So screenshot this information and take. So this is relative strength index. This is period, the parameter period 14, apply to close, and the style is period 4, and the level is 2 and 5. All right, this is the level. All right, so I'm done with this, and this is the moving average. This one will go to our indicator window 1. All right, the period is 1 and shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close, and the style is to the 4, and the color is 18 of choice. So I'm done with this. So all of that, I'm done with this. So we're leaving you here, and I wish you success as you trade with this one. Thank you guys, and always see my videos to the end. Alright, subscribe to my channel, like my video. Bye.